Did you know that India comes in the first place when it comes to malnutrition, followed by China, third Ethiopia, and last is Zimbabwe? We all know a brief about what exactly malnutrition is. But today I'm going to take you through a big journey about what exactly malnutrition is. Jai Gurudev, I'm Bharani and let's begin. Malnutrition is a lack of sufficient nutrients in the body. It's not necessary that a vital nutrient needs to be less. Even minor nutrient like vitamin B3 can cause malnutrition in a human body. Here are the two main types of malnutrition, type A and type B. Type A is the most common, where you have brittle hair, slim faces, loss of muscle mass. It is very common in the Zimbabwe region and also in India. Second is type 2, where only we have bloated stomach, brittle hair, moon face and a bulging abdomen. This is majorly because of the liver function malfunctioning and other which is basically majors on esophagus. These two types are the most common, and there's also the third type which is the least common out of both. This type is only famous in Zimbabwe because of the pollution which is found only in few regions where gold mining is famous. This is the first introduction of malnutrition. Here are the cure and causes of malnutrition. The most common factor is poor diet. You need to have a balanced diet. You need to feed your mind, your soul and your heart. Balanced diet always doesn't mean you're going to eat boiled and healthy vegetables. You need to create a balance. The most common one should be carbohydrates, followed by proteins, then minerals and vitamins. Then comes your fats, and lastly there is fiber. Next is most important is lifestyle. This is the most underlying factor. A lifestyle doesn't always require you to be on the run, but you need to compensate more active parts of a day. If you're sitting and working in front of your laptop for 8 hours and not having any other activity, this is going to harm you internally, including externally. Your brain, your heart and your gut, they work together. So when you keep your guts healthy, your heart is healthy, and indirectly including your brain. All these things, as I told, compensate each other. Active lifestyle is we need to walk minimum at least 1 kilometer every single day. Yes, 1 kilometer. Another most important factor why I'm stressing more on lifestyle is because these days it takes a lot of time for the kids to learn how to walk, because there's so much of technology that is helping them. Then we have troubled mind. As I told, that the brain, your heart and your guts work simultaneously. Once one of them is unable to function properly, the other cannot compensate as much. So troubled mind, the easiest cure is eunonia. Eunonia is a new therapy which is majorly done in Zimbabwe, due to which the malnutrition is very low. Is they design a diet for you based on your dominant features and your body type, which will help you to grow in a much healthier state. Then we have inherited. Inherited is, can you believe that more than 50% of malnutrition is inherited? Is because when a person is in poverty, the major important thing is, when am I going to get food? And once there's not enough quality and sanity in the food, including what food to be eaten, and when it's eaten on the wrong times, it can cause a lot of problem to the mother, including the baby. So prescribed diet is very important. Whatever is prescribed for the mother, for the baby, depending on the body, your climatic conditions and other related stuff. Thank you and Jai Gurudev.